In primetime news this evening, OUR to review basis of JPS claim to steep rate increase for customers' bills. Not our fault. Retailers insist food price increase is not price gouging. And mother still waiting for answers after baby gets burns at hospital.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the financial week, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, are your holiday plans influenced by the threat of a possible fourth wave of COVID-19? Give reasons for your answer. And you can share those reasons online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.